everyone, we are back to our old location where we used to shoot our videos. And today I came out because I really wanted to talk openly about this topic, and I don't have any script or anything for today's video. I am just going to talk what I felt after making videos for almost a year now. So let me start by saying, if you ever thought you wanted to start YouTubing and you wanted to earn through YouTube, you wanted to be an influencer, whatever, but you are so scared, you don't know where to start, you don't have any experience, you don't have any friend, family that supports you, then this is your video, because today I'm going to share why everyone should be a YouTuber. Even if you are a beginner, shy, or thinking it's too late, because I used to think that it's too late back in 2016. Imagine if I would have started at that time, where I would be today. Anyways, that is gone and we can't do anything about it. But I was thinking the same way in 2019 as well. When I came here in Canada, I started making videos. If you see my oldest video, it was in 2019 actually. But I again stopped. I was like, it's too late. I cannot make it to this platform anymore. But still I started last year, which is 2024, and decided I'm going to give my 100% this time. And as a result, I got monetized on YouTube within 6 months, and I'm not here to blabber. I'm just here to motivate you that if I can do this, thinking all this time that it is too late, then you, my friend, it is not that difficult. Let me clear it out right here. Anyways, let's talk about passion, income, and how this platform can literally change your life. Now let's start with the first harsh reality, that is YouTube is a long-term game. It is not TikTok, it is not Instagram where you can get viral overnight. And that is the reason this platform is so different from all these other platforms, because this YouTube is like an investment. You're making a video today, just don't delete it first of all, because I used to do this thing when I didn't like any video or a video didn't perform well, I deleted that video. But honestly, don't do that, because I still get views and income from a videos that I shot 6 months ago that I thought like it's not gonna work, it's not that good, I didn't have that shooting angles or anything, which is true. I still am figuring out how to improve the quality of my video. Every single day I put an effort to make sure that the quality is a little bit improved, the background is a little bit improved, the editing is a little bit improved. But this is the process. This is what everyone talks about, and this is something that is going to take me way ahead in my life. YouTube is like a waves of season. Some days you get good views, some days you get bad views. But let me be very clear, when you're just starting out, you will not gonna see any views. Maybe your video is there with 0 views or just 10 views. I faced that. But if today you see my channel, there are a lot of videos that get 15k 20k views, and still there are videos that get 100 views and 50 views. So it is a wave. The thing that you need to do is that you have to remind yourself why you started at the first place. That's what I did. Yesterday I posted a video, it get only 100 views, which I always thought like it's gonna get more views and this and that, because I am putting in the effort. But it is not mandatory, it is not required for you guys to watch my video. But it is completely okay for me to think that way, that it is gonna get this much views, which is the same case with you as well. If let's say you are starting out a channel, you're posting 5, 10, 20, 30, however videos, it's not getting any views, that is completely okay. It is gonna get views. People don't know you yet. You're still building your community. Like I am still building my community. There are a lot of people who don't know me yet. So I have to put in the efforts, because I started doing that. I want you guys to trust me, so I have to prove my authenticity. Your audience doesn't owe you anything. You are here to prove yourself. That is what you have to do. So it takes time to build trust. You will feel demotivated at a lot of different point of time. I feel demotivated even today, like consumed by my full-time job. I don't wanted to do that job because I wanted to do content creation. Because if you didn't do it today, let me tell you, it's gonna be there in your mind forever, like you wanted to do it but you were unable to do it. So what I thought, it's best if I fail in this rather than just not giving my 100%. So that is the reason I try every day, and that is what I'm gonna suggest you. No matter what, YouTube is gonna work out. Everything you're trying to do in your life, it's gonna work out. Just make sure you're putting in the efforts and you are not quitting in between. That is really important. And I think more people should have talked about this in the beginning of YouTube era, like so that everyone knew what is actually going on. Number 2, you do not need fancy equipments. I know you think you need it, but you can buy it eventually while working your way in YouTube, but it is not mandatory. If you see my channel, the first few videos, if you see, I was very uncomfortable in front of the camera. I barely have any lighting. The video quality is poor. the voice is poor. Like half of the videos I'm seeing today, and I'm like, why? I don't even believe people watch that kind of videos because they were like so poor quality. But did I quit? No. If you see today, I'm not saying I have like 100% quality, which of course, because I am alone editing, doing everything, and I don't even have that fancy camera or lighting. I still shoot from my iPhone. And if you see those big creators having that amazing quality, they have a whole production team. You need to understand that. So you are not competing with YouTubers only. Like I am personally talking about myself, competing with the people who have this whole production house, editing team, and the people who are putting in the efforts in shorts, promoting the shorts. They have a whole team for that YouTube shorts. I just came to know about this, which was very shocking for me because I never thought there can be a team for short videos alone, but there is. So I wanted to talk about your quality will improve eventually if you are authentic. Main ingredient in this is authenticity. You must be authentic. You need to know what you're talking about. You can select any niche. Don't go for like everything, like doing this. Try something that you are knowledgeable about, that you think you can give to the community. Like when I started, I of course wanted to do all these sheen hauls and this haul and that haul because these videos usually get a lot of views. But that was not my niche. That was not my purpose. My purpose here was to solve the skincare queries because I always get these kind of queries. What kind of serum you use, this and that. And I have interest in this particular field. You really need to enjoy what you're doing. And I really enjoy making content on skincare specifically. That's what I'm doing. Start with whatever you have. Number 3, YouTube built confidence. Like talking to the camera help with self-expression, build your confidence, build your communication skills as well. If you see my first video, again I'm going to talk about that, you please go ahead and check all those videos to get an idea what I was and what I am now. Like there's a huge difference. The way I am speaking, the way I am holding myself. First video I was like this is the serum that you need to try, and this and that. This was my voice, honestly. This was my voice. It builds your confidence, so it means you are in a win-win situation anyways, guys. You will gonna build your confidence that no one can take away from you. Secondly, it's healing and empowering to have a space where you can be you. Like talking in front of the camera, you can truly be yourself, in your authentic self, talking about the things that you love to talk. And the best part is that you have a community who wants to listen what you are talking. Because let me tell you, it is easy to get an audience, but it is difficult to build a community that trusts what you are suggesting. The people that are gonna come back for your suggestion to get your opinion on that particular thing, it is so difficult to get that community, and that is why it is difficult. You will not gonna get these people overnight. You have to build a community. That is gonna take time. That is gonna take a lot of patience, a lot of hard work on yourself. Everything is gonna fall into its place. So which means even if no one is watching at first, 0 views, 10 views, 20 views, 100 views, you are still building a powerful skill. You are still improving day by day. You are still putting in the effort. If you think in a wide way, I don't know if you can understand this or not, but whatever you put in the universe, it always comes back. So don't think like you will gonna work all this time for a particular thing and it's not gonna come back. Remember, whatever you're putting is gonna come back. So your effort is not gonna go in vain. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite thing, that is YouTube is gonna make you money, girl or boy, whoever is watching. You can get paid through AdSense, brand deal, affiliate marketing and digital product. You don't need millions of subscribers for that. Of course, if you get into that point, will be more money. I am right now on 2200 subscribers. Still, I'm making money out of it. Not a huge, but a little bit money out of it, which means if I put consistency in my efforts, the money will grow, right? It is a huge possibility if you see it that way. It took me 6 months to get monetized, but which is not that bad. It is difficult to get monetized in that period of time, but I am happy. I'm not saying I make millions from YouTube, but at least I started. The million is coming soon. Manifested. So what you need to do is you really need to believe that your content has potential to earn, even though you can't see it right now. Your content, if your content has the potential, you will earn no matter what. Next, number 4 or number 5, I guess, you are building an aligned community. It means you are building a community where people show up because they want to listen to you, listen to what you think, people who vibe with you, people who have the same kind of energy as you. Let me tell you one thing, it is deeper than you think, and it is not just audience, it is a community. That is why it took so long to build people like that, because they are your people. They are the people who trust you, and your voice could be something exactly that someone out there needs, which is very deeper if you think about it. Now I started posting skincare content, so my main focus was to help someone out there who have that kind of skin concern. And today I get DMs from girls saying that this serum changed the way my skin looked, this serum cured my pimples and acne marks, and that is something that keeps me going. I personally also wanted to quit a lot of different times when things were not going my way, but I somehow kept going, and comments and DMs like this always keeps you motivated, because this is what community building does to you. So if you are waiting for a sign, this is your sign. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Your future self is so proud of you for trying and changing your circumstances. So grab your phone, hit record and start. And let me remind you one more time, the internet is a big space and there is room for everyone. So if you are thinking you cannot make it, try it. If you're thinking that you might not be for it, just try it anyways. Just try it. Follow along to get more YouTube growth tips from someone who is building it right alongside you. I hope this video is a little motivating for you, and I'll see you within another one. Till then, bye bye.